The launch of the Ghana Oil and Gas Licensing Round 2018 will permit the allocation of new petroleum rights and forms part of government's commitment to improve transparency in the management of the country's oil and gas resources. Delivering the keynote address, President Akufo-Addo noted how his government is investing revenues from oil in the free senior high school policy. He stressed that in the 2018 budget, 455.9 million cedis of petroleum revenues was allocated to the Free SHS program.
Free SHS is ensuring that our oil revenues are being equitably distributed to the people and not ending up in the pockets of a few. The most important resource for any nation is its people. Investing in our children and in the future of our country is the most appropriate investment any government can make, and we are fully committed to continuing on this path. In 2017 and 2018, the first 2 years of the implementation of the policy, 270,000 more students have entered senior high school than they would otherwise have done prior to the policy.
The president further stressed on the need for increased crude oil production to sustain and broaden the scope of social interventions that rely on petroleum revenues.
Ghana's sedimentary basins, particularly the Tano and Cape 3 basins, are highly prospective. They have been substantially de-risked and are housing prized assets. This is a big boost to the aspirations of investors who are looking for areas where they can make good returns. Moreover, our fiscal regime is investor-friendly. Apart from royalties, all other fiscal terms are based on profitability, rewarding investors for their capital and underwriting their investment risks overall.
Cabinet, he said, will soon approve a blueprint and roadmap for accelerated oil and gas exploration and development to increase reserves and improve on oil and gas production.
The strategy seeks to build synergies with the domestic downstream petroleum sector, to increase Ghanaian participation in the oil industry, and to accelerate the pace of institutional capacity development to manage our oil and gas resources efficiently.
Adele Kwesi Matchtube reporting for Metro News.